The acorn woodpecker climbed to the top of the tree early in the morning, banging and banging. The squirrel next door was inexplicably flustered by the noise. He was a lazy squirrel. His biggest dream was that everyone would step outside their comfort zone and let him in. Fortunately, the woodpecker was hardworking and diligent. This tree was alive until it died. Until one day, the woodpecker's great-great-grandson landed on him. He pointed to a small hole and said the tree was sick. It needed to be treated. The tree said the woodpecker had good intentions, but it suggested he shouldn't start. It really wasn't sick. The woodpecker's great-great-grandson said, "If you're not sick, walk a couple of steps. Tree. Time flies." The years passed by quickly. The tree, which had a vague and inconclusive end, became the woodpecker family's granary, with the efforts of several generations of birds. They carved out 50,000 holes, densely packed. These holes were carefully trimmed. They were just the right size to fit an alley, and it wouldn't fall out. The woodpecker had food in its tree. It was not afraid. Of course, if it came across a mischievous child, then there was nothing it could do. To prevent famine, they specially assigned a bird to watch the granary. When the squirrel was hungry, it was not afraid either. An expert said that eating can effectively alleviate hunger. When he was hungry, he quietly came to his neighbor's granary. Faced with this difficult situation, he suffered from decision paralysis the next second. Since it was difficult to choose, he didn't choose. The first attempt ended in a hasty retreat. There will always be a second time after the first time. Therefore, he decided to try again. After careful observation, he discovered the blind monk's slip. He tried to enter by carting the perspective. This time was a success. He successfully let the woodpecker feeding see him. They met eyes. The air was quiet. He thought quickly. Instead of hiding, why not be choked? Don't eat, then what? Kill me. The woodpecker met his strange request. He couldn't kill the squirrel. It would only make him stronger. He went all out. He wasn't going to pretend anymore, since he couldn't die. He was going to eat until he died. He was going to eat until he burst.